Hello again, Liz. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another third quarter designs design team layout. And today we are using the fabulous Be Happy collection. Now this collection came out, hold please, in April of 2024. So this is the last one that I have a commitment for with the company, and I hit the camera on the table and everything. I apologize. So I want to make sure that I am utilizing this. Now, as you see, boop, how fun is that they're no waste packaging. So we're gonna trim this down to 12 by 12. I'm on a whole bunch of stuff right there, so well, I'm going to take just a smidge off the bottom because I kind of guffed it just a bit. Okay. And then we're going to go 11 3/4 and 11 3/4. All right, we're going to be doing a photo of B. And I've got all of these little hexies that I cut out of the little cut apart there. All right, and then we're going to do a little bit of this. So I need to trim that down to 12 by 12. Okay. How is everyone doing? I do hope that you are doing fabulous. We're gonna gut this because it's too dang pretty to not. So I just go in 1 inch. I cut from the 1 to the 11, and then we get a very fun little 10-inch square to play with later. So if you guys have not checked out third quarter designs, oh my gee, you need to, because the pattern paper is cardstock quality. And the colors are just so vibrant and just beautiful, and I absolutely love and adore everything about this company. The owners and all of the little workers are so fabulous and sweet to work with. It is a dream come true. They are a company from New Zealand, so I kind of just get this in here, eyeball what we got going on, making sure we get this centered. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and I thought it would be fun to mat the photo. I'm gonna go in the pink and then the teal. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this all matted up. And I thought we would put it right about here. Let's see, are we straight? We're going to need to grab that whole T-square ruler, excuse me. Okay, and then I've got all the cut apart. So I went a totally different direction, but that's okay. So we are going to just come in, and what I want to do is I also want to roll all these leaves up, like all the ends, just to give it more of a realistic kind of vibe. And we are going to create more of this little garden down here. So we're just gonna, and all I'm doing is just pressing them and then just pinching them in. So just making them stick out. So it's going to be a little bit elevated when we come in and get them stuck on there. So I definitely want, okay, we're going to stick that little guy right there. Let's do this one in between these two layers. We're going to do that, and then I am going to come in with like some little pop dots. So we'll just add a little bit of foam. And we're going to elevate this right here, just on that top portion. And stick this guy here. And we're just going to kind of fill this area up, right? Well, no, that can go that way. And then this one will pop in there. How cool is that? But they're all going to get popped up. And then we're just going to keep coming and building up all of these little areas. Okay, possibly move this one up here and get that colorful one more down there. Just kind of something, and intertwine. You can intertwine this guy so that it's going to blend in. And we take these little guys and we'll just stick them around. Maybe not even use those. I do want to put the bees on there, so let me go ahead and play with this and I will be right back. Alright, so we have got some dimension on there. As you see, they're all kind of folded up. I've taken the two frames and cut them in half and just kind of stuck them in. We're going to add some of these from my stash. Gold, well, this is not staying. Okay, let's go with some glue. Stuck there. And we're going to bring this one right about there. That one's stuck. Just kind of make sure that all of this stuff is getting stuck down. We don't want anything falling out. Okay. I'm just gonna pop some of these guys. There's nice gold. I love this collection. It has such vivid purples and golds. Put that one there. Here. So like I said, if you guys haven't checked this company out, please do. They are phenomenal. And you know me, I love the bees because I gotta be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need one more. Just go ahead and get one in there because you know you gotta have the odds. Alright, and that is going to do it. So stay tuned to see what else they have coming out. It's going to be super exciting. All the new releases. And let me tell you, we're only in June, but I have seen July's releases, and you need to be on top of that. You need to be watching and seeing when that's all getting released. And that is going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.